Hi, how are you? You can see here we're going to draw a nice map of Hungary. It's an European country, and we're going to draw the border outline first very clearly. Then we're going to see the surrounding neighborhoods, and that's how we're going to understand the geographical locations. As you know, the map of any country usually doesn't change under the other special circumstances. So if you like to uh, draw the map of any country, it's needed that you need to practice, and after the practice it's going to be perfect. So that's how we usually memorize it. Okay, so very fast we are going to have the drawing of the outlines. So there's the border of Hungary, and if you can see, it has a Slovakia on top, bordering countries, neighborhood, Ukraine here, Romania, and Serbia in this position, Croatia and Austria here. So these are the neighboring countries all over it. Now, to show the outline very clearly and define the areas inside with a deep dark color, let's put the color with the the crayon. Sometimes they call it oil pastel. So this is how we're going to define the area of this country very clearly. Okay. So putting the color is done, and there's the geographical map of Hungary. So it's very easy, just memorize it and see the outlines. So we just provide here the usual shapes, not all the details, but if you can learn this one, then you can easily understand or find out the map in the atlas, professional atlas. So this is the drawing for primary level. Then you can learn more better detailed drawings from the atlas. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.